Welcome back to Uncle Sasquatch Outdoors. Thank you for watching. I thought about it a couple of days and I decided I was going to take the Lyman's Great Plains rifle apart and strip the factory finish off of it. So I just wanted to show you the procedure I use as far as taking the old bluing off. It says to use cleaner degreaser, but I found that you can just take regular rubbing alcohol and go over that part just a little bit to get the oil and the grease off of it. And it probably leaves a residue on it, but I don't find that it hurts it. I let it dry there a second, and I come back and kind of buff the excess of that alcohol off. I hope you can see that good on the camera. Alright, so let that dry just a little bit more, and I've got some Birchwood Casey blue and rust remover. I'm just going to take a cotton swab and dip it in that solution, and then I'm just going to start rubbing it on that toe plate. I've already done the butt plate over here, you see. So I just thought I'd show you. You put that on there, rub it on real good, even on the sides, because there's a little bit of finish on the sides of it. Real good coat on it. Okay, as you can see, it's starting to dissolve that blue. Hope you can see that in the camera real good. It just takes it a couple minutes to completely get through it and take it off. I'll let it sit here just a minute and show you again. It just literally dissolves that old finish on it. And you have to, once you do that, you need to take some steel wool or some Scotch-Brite and kind of finish getting the rest of that off. But that just gives you an idea of how you do that, and I've got a bunch of pieces and parts I'm going to have to do to complete this gun. So, appreciate you watching. Keep your powder dry. Mind your top knot, Pilgrim.